Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP USD and AUD USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that GBP USD and AUD USD currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that GBPUSD had a very strong rejection from this long week candle. Now, this is the monthly long week candle, and from that zone, you saw that GU had a strong breakdown, has broken this monthly support level. After break of this monthly support, we see that currently the price slowly getting rejected. Now, as we see that from the monthly, this price is overextended, we can expect GU to have a bounce as the monthly close is coming. We could see that GBPUSD is closing above this level and then continue to the upside for the upcoming week, as it is a long term bullish market. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that there is a weekly bearish candle, but at the same time we see it's a long term bullish market. This is the weekly candle. So far we have seen that after breaking this weekly high, the price created this strong rejection. Now from the weekly perspective, still the candle is not closed, which is still a bearish price action. Now if we see that today with the news coming up, GU closing above this level, what I think that we could see that the price again pushing high. As we see that the market created an imbalance in that zone, we could see that the buyers going up pushing that price high to fill that imbalance. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, GBPUSD has broken very important daily support level. This is the support that we have seen has broken, created with all this long week candle, and the price below this level, we can expect now a retest. Now as we see that, can see most of the time the price creates more often false breakout as the price below this level of support. With the news, we could see that GBPUSD is pushing high, and with that break to the upside, even we could see that GBPUSD in the upcoming week pushing high with the new monthly opening and creating a new higher high to the upside. So from the further lower time frame, here is the we need to see a strong reversal pattern. If it is a false breakout, as you can see, this is the support here, support here, support here. We should see, if it is not a false breakout, we should see a rejection from this level. On the other hand, if it is a false breakout, we should see a rejection from the bottom. Based on the price action confirmation, as we see that the price currently below this level, there is a very high probability for GBPUSD to create a reversal from this level. If we see that the price had a very strong rejection from the support and not getting rejected from this level, we will consider going long with this instrument with a high probability trade setup for this potential movement to the upside with this direction. Now if we look at AUD USD exactly in the same manner, we see that from the monthly, AUD USD currently below all this monthly support level. This is the previous monthly swing low. With this monthly support, the price has broken this level, and what I think that as the monthly close is coming, we could see that AUD USD is closing above, and then in the upcoming month we could see another bullish momentum. If we look at the weekly perspective, we see that from the weekly, AUD USD so far showing potentially bearish, starting with this strong impulse on the weekly. The price has come back to this support level. Now this candle is still not closed from the weekly perspective, which is still showing potential bearish. So based on the candle closed, we could see either AUD breaking down, or we might see that after a little pullback, AUD like the GBPUSD is creating that reversal and pushing high. Looking at the daily time frame, we can see that from the daily perspective, AUD here is a bearish price action. Starting with this multiple liquidity gap from the daily, we saw that AUD has created an impulse correction. Every time the price is creating series of lower high and lower low, and we saw that the price has broken this significant level of support tested as resistance, and we saw that from that zone a long bearish engulfer. Now depending on how the price is reacting on that zone, we will see either AUDUSD is reversing from here to the upside, or we could see that after testing this level AUDUSD coming back down towards its long-term downtrending direction. So based on the price action confirmation, if we see that AUDUSD is getting rejected from this level, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.